what we have here is we have a built-up insulated substructure. We have a flat metal deck, and we've had to create the pitch for the roof slope, for the water flow. Positive water flow is what we want. So what we do is we build up the insulation in multiple layers to create roof slope. And as you can tell, we have a ridge line along the center here, and it pitches to either side of the roof. And then we have what we call crickets, or counter taper, to divert water as it's running towards the side of the roof to the drains. And as the water flows and hits the counter slope, the water will run to the drains into the overflow scuppers. Then on top of the cover board, which is a 1/4-inch prime Dens deck, we are fully adhering 60 mil TPO product.